a great service has been done by Mother Teresa Foundation by providing food for the poor people and for the needy. These people are all migrants which have come here to do a daily work, but due to this coronavirus they don't have money to feed themselves, and as you all know, all the hotels and everything is shut. So these people are finding it almost impossible. They are starving for food, and Mother Teresa Foundation is doing an excellent job by feeding all these migrants. Hats off to Mother Teresa Foundation and all the other foundations who do the social service and making sure everyone is being fed. You can just see how big is the line, how many people are hungry and starving for food. I would also urge the government, if they can also make some necessities to provide some basic food for these migrants. So this is only in Margao right now. So you can imagine all over the Goa how many migrants might be there who are struggling and who are hungry. And it's really a hats off to the people who actually feed these migrants who are hungry. You can also see the Mother Teresa Association taking care, asking them to keep a 1 meter distance. You can see people coming running for food.